Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today I'm going to show you how to make ghee. We're going to start off with 16 ounces of butter, and you want to have your skillet set on a medium temperature. Make sure that you have a bowl and also a spoon so that you can move the butter around as it melts. Make sure that the butter is melting slowly. Now that the butter is melted, I'm going to stop stirring. Bring the temperature to a medium-high. But you do need to gauge your temperature to make sure that the milk solids don't start to burn. Those are the little bits that are going to be on the very bottom of the pan. So let me go ahead and turn the heat up a little bit. Remember the bowl that I told you that you'll need? Now we're going to remove the foam from the top of the melted butter. And you just need to get your spoon and just sieve that off. I'm starting to hear this bubble a little bit, and I don't want that, so I'm going to go in, take the temperature back down to medium. Just make sure that you're watching your temperature. All right, so what we're left with is the beautiful golden oil from the butter. And I'm just letting this set for just a little bit. I'm letting the milk solids at the bottom of the pan brown up, and that will give the ghee a more rich golden appearance as well as a little bit of a nutty flavor. And I like to use ghee when I'm cooking steak or just like sauteing some vegetables. And if you can see right now, our milk solids are brown, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the heat. Most people will use a cheesecloth, but I just let my ghee sit in a container for about 3 minutes, so all the milk solids that remain in there will just go to the bottom, and then I just pour off the top into the container that I'm going to keep my ghee in. This has a really beautiful golden color, exactly what we wanted. And then you'll stop where you see the milk solids there. Give you a better view. And then you have a lovely amount of ghee to cook your steaks in or your vegetables. It has a high smoke point temperature, so I actually use it for stir fries sometime as well. And that is how we make ghee, friends. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.